Hello students, how are you? I hope that you are staying in your home safely. So today we are going to discuss about our syllabus, that is the physical chemistry paper 13. So we have to just revise the syllabus. Our syllabus is completed before the date of examination. So now we have to know that is a physical chemistry paper. In that there are 4 topics: spectroscopy, solutions, thermodynamics and chemical kinetics. Now we see one by one here. Chemical kinetics, that topics contain here types of reactions: competing reaction, consecutive reaction, side reaction and parallel reaction. Or next one is chain reaction. So these are the types of, there are 4 types of reactions that is very important of in your syllabus. And next one point is, that is the factor affecting the rate of reaction. There are 4 factors which affects the rate of reaction. First one is temperature, concentration, catalyst and pressure. These 4 factors which affects the rate of reaction. And next one is temperature coefficient. Temperature coefficient, it means the velocity constant of the reaction. It is the ratio of 2 velocity constant, and second one velocity constant is increased by 10 degrees centigrade, and both the ratio of velocity constant, that is known as temperature coefficient. And next one is, that is the rate, theories of reaction rates. In that there are 2 types of theories of reaction rate. One is collision theory and another one is transition state theory. These 2 theories are very important one. And the next one is, that is the third order reaction. What is meaning of third order reaction? Now we see the third order reaction, it means the rate of reaction is determined by 3 concentration terms in the reaction. That is known as third order reaction. There are various steps of derivations are there, and the equation of third order reaction is K is equal to 1 upon 2T into bracket x into 2a minus x upon a into a minus x. Okay. Then next one point is characteristics of third order reaction. So there are various characteristics of third order reaction. In that first one, that is the unit of third order reaction. That is very important one. So we have to know that in second order reaction, in first order reaction, we know the units of first order reaction and second order reaction. But in this one, we know also the units of third order reaction. That is, by the taking equation of third order reaction, we have to calculate or we have to derive the unit of K values. Okay. So the unit of K is, that is mole per dm cube per second, mole per square dm cube raised to 6 per second square. And the next topic is, that is the thermodynamics. Thermodynamics is a very important chapter, very important topic. And in that topic, you have to know that is the Gibbs-Helmholtz equation and significance of Gibbs-Helmholtz equation, and then significance of Gibbs-Helmholtz theory and Clapeyron-Clausius equation, Clapeyron equation, and again we have to study in this topic that is a fugacity activity concept. These are very important one. And next one is topic, that is solution. In that solution, definition of solution, types of solution. There are various types of solution, 7 solution types are there, and in that we have to know the concept, that is concentration of solutions. Various concentration terms are there. In that, normality, molarity, mole fraction, weight percent, these are the various concentration terms of the solution. Then again we have to study it here, that is the ideal solution and non-ideal solution and their difference one. And again here, that is the Raoult's law and the types of solution, that is minimum solution type, maximum solution type, maximum and minimum temperature solution type. These are the various types of solution are there. And again in that there are miscible solution and immiscible solutions are there. And the